What's going on YouTube? It's Trevors here. So I'm trying to finish the LIN Kuei Tower for a second time, but I have a feeling they're gonna give me MK11 Sub-Zero because I've been using them a lot. I hope that's not the case, but let's find out. I changed the team to MK11 characters. I figured if I get frozen, isn't that being like stunned? Maybe that will make it so Cabal will stun the characters, I'm hoping. If that doesn't work, then I'm gonna change it up again. Probably use the original lineup, which was Hellspawn, Cold War, and MK11 Sub-Zero, which is what I used the first time to beat him. So let's see. Okay, that does not help at all. Damn. Yeah, I have a feeling eventually I'm gonna win. It's just when. Hopefully. I honestly don't want it to be this time, so I can have the original lineup and play with Cold. Oh shit, never mind. Damn. I'm not sure if that's good. I don't want to get MK11. I don't want him. I already have him done. Please give me Revenant Cold War. Please. And I think it gives you an epic. I'm not 100% sure. Wow. Oh, nice. Okay, so it does give you an epic every time. Oh, nice. 0.8, it's gonna give you a bar, I guarantee it. It might give you actually like maybe 1.5. That's probably why they made it the Tomahawk week. Nice. Fucking right. So now Revenant's gonna be stronger than Cold War. Alright, fucking nice. Tower completed. Sweet. That is what I am talking about. So Cabal does not work against freeze. I just learned that. It does not work well at all. So, yep. Fuck that. Fuck this too. Too many cards to go through. That's never a bad problem, is it? Why isn't this not working? I had to hit that like 12. I think my screen, I don't know. I wish there was like a pad that I connect to. I don't think they make anything like this, like a touch pad that I can connect to my phone, so it would be like I'm playing on my screen, but I'm not, you know? So it'd be like a remote, but instead of a remote, it's a touchpad. I think that's actually fucking genius. I think I just came up with a really good idea right there. Yeah, he's a lot stronger now, so that might help. In this struggling tower here. And since I figured it's easier to do anything with this guy. I think I'd have to change everything around. Be something like that. Oh, I'm glad it didn't give me an MK11 card. That's the bright side on everything. I was totally expecting them to do a dick move like that because I already have them maxed out. I'm hoping the third tower will give me some nice shit. Yeah, it really sucks. YouTube is really, what do you call it, PC and really overprotective of copywriting shit. Like, I should be able to watch Family Guy in the background, or any fucking TV show I want, any movie I want, anything that I want, basically, in the background, without having to worry about my channel getting taken down. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't know, since it's the beginning of the tower, yeah, I know, I just got done switching all that shit up. Put everything that's on, what's his name? MK11. So I thought like I was having some Mandela effect the other day. No, I'm serious. Like, I could have swore Soundgarden did an unplugged, but apparently I'm wrong. No, of course, Scorpion, relax. There's no escape from you. We all know that. Okay. That's the first item I get. That's shit, but... Alrighty, maybe third time is the charm. Maybe they'll start tossing me cool stuff now. That's what you want to do. Yeah, I don't know how Apple is, but Google Play really helped me out, man. Like, I would have been screwed if it wasn't for them, so... hats off to them. They definitely try to help and please the customer, that's for shit sure. Something went wrong and they ended up helping me out. At least I think they did. I don't know, I'll find out within a couple of days. I wonder if I don't remember fighting a Shinnok or a Raiden in this tower yet. Wait, is it Shinnok? Yeah. Damn. Okay, I lied. They just lure you in with that first one, I think. Yeah, Ray's trying to karate chop my ass. They seriously gotta take money out of this. Like, I wish they did a maintenance to fix the tower. Because it's fucking stupid. It truly is. Yeah, I feel like when you get to the end, it's, on the last boss, I mean, eventually I feel like you're gonna beat them if you take a tiny bit of health off and you keep redoing it. Eventually their health's just gonna get so low. But if it went back to full, no fucking way. Absolutely not. It'd be cool if I could finish this tower really quick. And end up Xing out one of the epics. And actually Xing out another Sub-Zero card. But I expect to beat this a total of 4 times, I thought to myself. You know, if I really try. I spend more time on this than I do the faction war, anything really. Because it's just what I gotta get done. Yeah, I wasn't gonna make this video because I didn't think I was gonna win that battle, that run this time around. I was asleep for a second, and I was like, what the fuck? So I went to check the, my phone, and I went to the game, and I saw that the LIN Kuei Tower was open, so I figured, fuck it. I'm hoping they have another, something like Dark Fate Champion, except maybe they'll sell, like, they'll get rid of this shit. And they'll probably have a diamond card. I love I like the 1999 diamond card thing, you know. If you got 100, let's say, you know, you got gift cards or whatever happened, you know, you got $100. You know, you get 5, you get $200, you get 10 fucking diamond cards. I think if I was just starting out though, I would be playing the, I would have gotten the gold set if I was just starting out. I mean, you need gold cards to make the world go around. And I pretty much X'd out every single one except Melina and Tanya, I think. Pretty simple way to figure this out. Can I go by fusion? Oh yeah, that's how you sort it over here. Raiden's pretty dope. Cold calling them as a whole team is pretty dope. I don't really like them one-on-one or one with, another group. Yeah, so what I don't have, actually there's a lot I don't have X'd out. Holy shit. And that's all what I'm missing, so I don't got Melina, Cabal, Sub-Zero Classic, Ermac, Quan Chi, or Tanya, but I'm trying to get Quan Chi right now in the tower. Yeah, if you don't know, you can get certain cards in the tower, so you might have to spend some souls in there, but there is a chance that you can get the cards. But yeah, that's my video. Sorry, I'm sniffling, man. I just woke, like I said, I fell asleep for a second. It was really cold. My room gets freezing. I didn't have the blankets on me. And yeah, I don't know. But I'm going back to bed. That's cool that I finished that and got another Circle of Shadow. I swear he was called Revenant, but maybe that's another Mandela effect. But yeah, no, I don't know. But yeah, it's me finishing the second LIN Kuei Tower, so sorry that I don't have a lot of energy, but if you're new around, subscribe, comment, like, and ring that fucking bell, I guess. I don't know what the fuck that does, but my boy with Bobby was like, yo, tell them to ring the fucking bell, ring the fucking bell, 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 bell. So I was like, alright. I don't know what it does, but fucking just tap that fucking bell, I guess. I don't know. I'm out.